Have you ever heard of soursop? Imagine a fruit that tastes like a tropical dream. This is Annona Muricata, also known as soursop. In this video, we'll explore why you should consider growing this amazing fruit. Annona Muricata is more than just a delicious fruit. It's packed with nutrients. It's rich in vitamin C, B1, and B2. Soursop is known for its potential health benefits. Let's dive into why this tropical delight should be in your garden. First, start by understanding its growing requirements. Soursop needs warm temperatures. Ideally, it thrives between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. It loves well-drained soil with good organic matter. Make sure it gets plenty of sunlight each day. Next, consider the space needed. Soursop trees can grow pretty tall. They can reach up to 30 feet. If space is limited, consider dwarf varieties. They can fit into smaller gardens or pots. Now let's talk about watering. Soursop trees require regular watering. However, avoid overwatering. Too much water can lead to root rot. A balance is key. When it comes to harvesting, patience is essential. The fruit takes about 4 or 5 months to ripen. Look for a yellow-green color. Gently squeeze it, it should yield slightly. Soursop isn't just tasty, it's also nutritious. It's packed with antioxidants. These help protect your body from free radicals. It may also support your immune system. Consider this: soursop may have anti-inflammatory benefits. Some studies suggest it could help fight cancer cells. However, always consult a professional for health advice. Imagine enjoying fresh soursop smoothies or desserts. It's not only delicious, but it's also versatile. You can make juice, ice cream, or simply eat it fresh. In summary, growing Annona Muricata can benefit your health and garden. It's a unique fruit that's entirely worth the effort. So why wait? Get started by planting your soursop tree today. Experience its amazing taste and health benefits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.